Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about insanity.
You can't do this because even then you'll be seen. You can crawl across if you like. Come on, straight to Quran. Please.
I would like to know what the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam or Imam Mahdi alayhi salam said about insanity of people who are mad. Who are
insanity of people?
Yes, insanity, yes.
What the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the promised Messiah has mentioned about the insanity of people.
Insanity is something which becomes apparent from the actions of the person and the treatment of such a person by God. These are the two vantage points from which the insanity can be adjudged correctly. Otherwise, all the prophets of Allah have been blamed by the people whom they addressed as insane. All prophets of Allah were blamed to be insane. So what is the criteria by which we could judge the insane people and the prophets of Allah? Prophets of Allah, according to the Holy Quran, tells them, you are insane. And there are so many verses of the Quran which speak clearly. You stupid people, you don't understand, you're insane. And they counter it by claiming, you are insane and you are insane. So how can you judge? This is the point which is central to your question. Now, I have mentioned two ways of judging the insanity of a person. Number one, how people treat such a person, if he is really insane. No sane man begins to oppose and hurt any insane man. People who have any sense of sanity will not show hostile attitude towards mad people. Mad people are left to their own fate. Nobody takes them seriously. And their ravings are strange. Sometimes they are saying this and sometimes they are saying that. So everybody, the whole society, is the best judge of who among them is insane. They are not taken seriously. But those who are Allah's prophets, they are called insane because they are taken seriously. So herein lies the proof of their sanity. If they were insane, they would be ignored. Because they are not ignored, they are sane. That is one way, as I said, two vantage points, one from the point of view of humans and the other from the point of view of God. Now you will never come across any instance in the entire history of mankind where God helps the insane people. Never, anywhere, you will find an insane person who is being specially helped by Allah. Like he is abandoned by his own people, so God abandons him. Doesn't take him seriously. But when he sends somebody who is blamed to be insane, then Allah, by his powerful arguments, which are not verbal only, which are powerful arguments of manifestations of his power, like as the Messenger of Islam has repeatedly said, you have rejected me, but God will show the truth, my truth, by manifest signs of his power, which will display in my favor. So this is the ultimate proof that the prophets are not insane. Otherwise, it will be amazing. You have to prove, at least present one person in the entire history who who is mad and Allah is helping him. Allah does not take care of mad people like He does of His own sane people, the prophets He chooses to represent Him. Clear?